Hello everyone. It's been a beautiful day here in Australia. We just finished day 2 of the Pelvic Restoration Disease Prevention Masterclass, and today was a really beautiful day to see all of the transformations that the ladies, you can already start to see on their faces. They're starting to glow more. Like I noticed it day 1, but here, like day 2, we were able to end the day with a couples connection. So some of the ladies were in the whole life coach course, so they got to experience it there, but some of them it was their first time. So it was actually really amazing, and their shares after were phenomenal to be honest. Like they were amazed at how good you can feel just from connecting with somebody. Some of them, they made friends over the past few weeks in the past courses, the whole life coach and then Wolf Non-Surgical. Some of them did it with someone they just met, or some of them have done it with somebody that they've known their whole life but have never actually connected with somebody that they know on that deep of a level. And just the feelings that come up are truly inspiring and show you that you can connect with literally anyone. You can connect with yourself. You can just look in the mirror and look into your eyes for 10 minutes. Like, set a timer for 10 minutes, put on some soft meditation music, and I challenge you to stare at yourself in the mirror for 10 minutes and then write in the comments what your experience was. And try to take it seriously, because you will feel different after doing it. Because when you can connect, the eyes are the gateway to the soul. And it's very true, whether you're looking in someone else's or your own. And it's just, today was a really beautiful day. We had the ladies use the yoni egg for a lot of them, it was their first time. So their experiences with that was pretty cool to hear about. And just connecting and bringing the awareness to your breath and having that right intention, not just doing things mindlessly, like, oh, you're just going through your day and you're just not even thinking about your breathing. Like, you're bringing your attention and intention to that mindful breath connection and circulating it through your body, and then bringing that awareness down to our ovarian palace, where we neglect and we don't pay attention to or nourish or take care of it the way we do other things. Like, we'll go get our hair done, we'll go get facials, some people will go get their teeth whitened. Like, you do all these things to take care of your exterior, but nobody pays attention to their interior. So that's where your diet comes in. That's where just that mindful breath connection and making sure you're breathing properly, and it's not shallow breathing, and you're not just chest breathing, you're expanding your belly as you inhale and then exhale, and bringing that awareness to your vaginal muscles for all the ladies. Men can do this as well, but it's a little more difficult for them. But yeah, everyone has had such a beautiful time this far. Tomorrow's the last day, and they're blown away at the things that the simple things that we could be doing every day that we aren't taught to help with our pelvic health and just our overall health. You have bad period cramps, pay attention to your diet, because guaranteed you're eating too much dairy, meat, and gluten and refined sugars, which is gonna add to that and make it that much worse when you get your period and get those bad cramps. If you have incontinence, you're losing the tone in your vaginal muscles, so you need to be doing these exercises and working those muscles to strengthen them so that you get that control back. Because we are powerful, and if you have the right tools and strategies, you can reverse anything and the right mindset is the most important. You can reverse anything that's going on in your body, unless it's severe and you need to go to the hospital and get a surgery. But hospitals are for emergencies. Other than that, we are powerful, and if you believe and you have the right tools, you can 100% take your health back into your own hands and really start living a pain-free life. Because who wouldn't want that? And I'm young, so I'm doing this for prevention reasons. I do want to have kids one day. So I want to make sure that I don't have any issues when I have a baby, and I can keep, and I have the knowledge now of what I can be doing before, during, and after having a kid to keep everything tight and toned and healthy, so I don't get these issues that a lot of women have had to endure over the past few years. So if anybody, you're a mother, you're a sister, your daughter, your nieces, anyone, I really encourage you to come and take this course. And we just, we've revamped it a bit, and we've done it a bit different and added a few more things. And I'm really excited because I feel really good about this course and how it's run so far, and like to tomorrow. And it's just been amazing. And so if any of you ladies want to come check it out, we are in Australia now, but the next course will be in October in Bonita Springs, Florida, October 28th, 29th, and the 30th. And then that's the last stop for the year, and we will be in Puerto Rico in January, towards the end of January, I believe. You can check out the dates and locations at bhnuniversity.com, and you can also learn about, you can read through the page if you want more information. You can either call me at 705-984-1699 on WhatsApp or Telegram, or you can go to the website and go to the pelvic restoration page, and we have a whole write-up and explanation on what the course is, what you learn, just to give you a good idea of what it is and if it's something that you would be interested in. Because personally, I think every woman needs it. Every woman needs to have that awareness brought to them, and be able to share that with their daughters and their kids and their sisters, their mothers. Like, everybody needs this, and it's just been such a powerful course. And yeah, today was just so wonderful. Almost got a little emotional, but it was just, the ladies are so beautiful, and the changes that I'm already seeing are fantastic. And I'm excited for tomorrow to see we get them to take a picture of themselves before they start the course, and then right after, and after the third day. So I'm very excited to see the two pictures and see the difference, and for them to see the change in themselves, because we look at ourselves in the mirror every day, we don't notice little things that change, but a lot of them are already glowing, and it's really beautiful. So if any of you have any questions, I gave you my number. You can WhatsApp me or Telegram me, or you can go to the website, get the information from there, sign up from there. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you ladies in some of the future courses. I hope you have a beautiful day. And yeah, I'm going to go watch the sunset on the beach because it's my last few days here in Australia. So I will talk to you soon.